Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just delete product code. Okay, so product code is going to be removed because I don't want it in my application. So we'll just drop that. Okay. Okay, so product code is gone from the database, but it's still referenced in the PHP in the NetBeans project. So we have to delete that. Okay, so again, we can look at this. We can look at find and replace. It was product code, wasn't it? It doesn't really matter what I'm not going to actually replace it, but I just want to check how many instances of it is. It's going to be an add product. It's going to be an index.php. All right. So I think this is like on line 18 and line 84. So let's have a look at that one. 84 is down here. Yeah, product code. So I don't need product code. So let us delete that. All of it. Done. I also have to delete code off here because that's the top of the table. So if I was to press yep in that and we look at the home page here, yeah, it's gone already. So we just got a name and a price. Now it is referenced in add product. So maybe we should look at add product. I'll open that and we'll look at that on line 18. Yeah, product code is one of the values that we're pushing in. We don't want that anymore, so let's just get rid of that, and we're going to get rid of bind value of code, product code, and we're going to come down to, that's it, because it was just in the add product. It will be in the add product form as well. So add product form. Let's look down here. Add product. We've got a code, so let's get rid of that label. We don't want it. Oh. And that's it. So we just press save, and in theory now, if we refresh this, we should have got rid of every instance of add product code from